Hello everyone, let's see how to create a YouTube channel art. If you go to youtube.com and open any YouTube channel you like, you can simply see a YouTube channel art over here. Let's see how we can create this kind of channel art. To create a new channel art, I'm going to use a free online software available on the internet, which is canva.com. Open a new tab, search for canva.com. You can simply sign up by clicking on this button over here, and you can sign in by using your Google account, Facebook account, or a simple email account if possible. After creating an account, you can simply click on this login. If you already have it, you can simply click on this login option, or you can simply click on this login button over here. I'm going to log in by using my Google account. After logging in Canva, you need to click on this option, create a design. Search for YouTube. Click on YouTube channel art. You can see a lot of YouTube templates over here. You need to keep in mind that only a very selected part of a YouTube channel art is visible. As you can see in this image, no matter how big your channel art is, the actual size, the actual picture which is going to show to your audience, it is only this part, this black or gray area. So that's why you have to keep in mind that while creating a new design, only this part is visible, nothing else. All the important material that you want to show to your public should be visible in this area. So let's select the template that I want to use for my YouTube channel. I'm going to use this template over here. To use this template, you can simply click on this template and it will show it here. If you want to change anything in it, you just need to click on this. For example, I want to change the background color, which is yellow. As you can see, I have an option with the same yellow color over here. Clicking this will activate the function on which you can change any type of color you want. You can simply click on this add a new color option so that you can select the color from your palette. I'm going to select the white color from here. If you want to change the text in the photo, you can simply click on the text, click again, and here you can add your tagline. There is one more option available, which is a short text, which we can also edit by using clicking option. By clicking on this. Perfect. I want to change the color of this text, so all I need to do is click this text over here and it will show me this text color option in the above bar over there. I can click on this bar and I can choose any color I want to add in my window or add in my text. I want to change the background color again. It is looking good. If you want to change the graphics over here, you can simply click on this. And as you can see, there are more options available. As per your need, you can use this option to flip your text or element, or you can crop your element. You can animate also if you are going to use it, ungroup and position also. I just want a simple PNG file, so I'm not going to do anything in it. For me, it is perfect. Now I need to download this so that I can upload it on my channel art. Click on this download button over here. Select PNG. Click download. As you can see, our photo is now downloaded. Click on it to see the picture. See, so this is our channel art that we can use in a YouTube channel. So that is it for today. If you like this video, please like this video, comment any topic you want to learn, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update for the video. Thank you.